Sunscreen is important, but you know what's importanter? Knowing how much UV your body's exposed to so you can apply SPF accordingly. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. A company called The 90 just announced a piece of smart jewelry called the Gem that's designed to help women keep an eye on real-time UV exposure. The company was founded by Stacey Salvi, who spent 8 years with Fitbit both before and after Google took it over in 2021. The round necklace includes sensors that measure UVA and UVB rays. This data changes throughout the day as a person moves in and around sunlight. The Gem should provide a relatively accurate assessment of exposure, no matter if they're walking outside or sitting near a sunny window. This data is sent to an app which creates a personalized skin profile. The profile will provide actionable advice regarding personal UV thresholds, sunscreen reminders, and sunlight exposure windows. Those UV rays are no joke, especially nowadays, so this type of thing could certainly come in handy during the summer months and beyond. The company's calling it a new category of wearables, and, well, that's technically true. There are plenty of UV sensors out there, from startups like Shade to unknown entities like L'Oreal. However, those aren't pendant necklaces. This one is a pendant necklace. The Gem's available for purchase directly from the company right now and will eventually cost $300. However, early adopters can scoop one up for $200 for a limited time. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.